English A2. Talking about your weekday vs weekend. Listen by BabelBoosters YouTube channel.
My weekday feels too short.
Mine too. It starts with a rush.
I wake up late sometimes.
Then breakfast becomes a problem.
Yes, I eat fast.
I always forget my keys.
That makes the morning worse.
And the bus is always busy.
I hate standing there half awake.
On weekdays, I just want peace.
Same, but work keeps calling.
My job starts early.
Do you like early starts?
Not really. I need time.
I need coffee first.
Coffee saves many mornings.
It saves mine every day.
After work, I feel tired.
Me too, but I still cook.
I usually order simple food.
That sounds easier.
Weekdays are for duty.
Yes, not for fun.
My weekend is different.
Mine changes my mood.
I sleep longer on Saturday.
I do that too.
It feels like a gift.
A very small gift.
But a good one.
Then I clean my room.
Really? On the weekend?
Yes, before I relax.
I clean on Sunday.
That sounds more peaceful.
Sometimes I skip cleaning.
Then the mess grows.
Exactly, and I regret it.
My weekend starts slowly.
Mine starts with no alarm.
No alarm feels amazing.
I can breathe again.
Do you make friends?
Often, yes. That is the best part.
I like meeting one friend.
Too many people can be tiring.
I agree. Small plans are better.
We go for coffee or lunch.
Simple plans work best.
On weekdays, I barely talk.
Same. Messages only.
Weekend talks feel warmer.
Yes, people are more relaxed.
I call my sister on Sunday.
That is a nice habit.
She always asks about my week.
And you tell her everything?
Almost everything.
Not the boring parts.
I skip those.
Smart choice.
Weekdays can feel heavy.
Especially when the weather is bad.
Rain makes Monday worse.
I walk slower in rain.
I get annoyed very fast.
On weekends, rain is okay.
Because you can stay inside.
Yes, and do nothing.
Doing nothing is a skill.
I need more practice.
Me too, honestly.
What do you do on Friday night?
I feel free again.
That is the best feeling.
I watch a show or rest.
I stay up too late.
Then Saturday morning is hard.
Very hard.
But still better than Monday.
Always better than Monday.
Do you work on weekends?
Sometimes, and I hate it.
I hate that too.
It breaks the whole mood.
Yes, the weekend feels stolen.
That is a good word.
Stolen time.
On weekdays, I plan a lot.
And on weekends, you change plans.
Often, I want freedom.
I like having one loose plan.
Too many plans feel bad.
Then it stops being a break.
Exactly.
My best weekday is Friday.
Mine too. It feels close to freedom.
And Monday feels far away.
Very far away.
Sometimes I wish weekends were longer.
Everyone wishes that.
But then Monday still comes.
Sadly, yes.
Maybe that is why weekends feel special.
Because they do not last.
I think so.
What is your usual weekday like?
Wake up, work, eat, sleep.
That sounds very simple.
Simple but a little sad.
My weekdays are noisy.
Too many calls.
Yes, and too much rush.
Then the weekend feels like a deep breath.
That is exactly it.
On Saturday, I feel like myself.
That is a strong feeling.
Weekdays make me careful.
Weekends make me open.
I talk more on weekends.
I laugh more too.
Do you ever plan nothing?
Sometimes, and it feels strange.
Strange but nice.
Yes, after a while.
I need that sometimes.
We all do.
On weekdays, I wear simple clothes.
Me too. Just easy things.
Weekend clothes feel softer.
And more relaxed.
Even my face feels different.
Less tired.
Yes, a little happier.
That is nice to hear.
What do you eat on weekdays?
Usually quick food.
Sandwiches.
Yes, or rice and chicken.
I eat soup sometimes.
That sounds warm.
Weekends are for better meals.
I cook more then.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Not always, but yes.
I like cooking when I have time.
That is the key.
Time changes everything.
It really does.
On weekdays, I check the clock a lot.
I do that too.
On weekends, I forget it.
That is the best part.
I wish every day felt like that.
Then weekends would not feel special.
True. Maybe balance is better.
Yes, a little work, a little rest.
That sounds fair.
My Monday is always serious.
My Saturday is always calmer.
And Sunday?
Sunday feels quiet and a little sad.
Because Monday is waiting.
Exactly.
I get that feeling too.
Still, Sunday morning is nice.
Yes, slow and soft.
I drink tea and listen to music.
That sounds perfect.
Then I think about the week.
Good or bad week?
Both. Usually both.
That is very real.
Weekdays are for effort.
Weekends are for recovery.
And sometimes for small adventures.
Like what?
A walk, a movie, a new cafe.
I like that kind of adventure.
Not big, just enough.
Big plans can fail.
Small plans are safer.
And easier to enjoy.
Do you ever feel guilty on weekends?
Yes, when I rest too much.
I know that feeling.
Like I should do more.
But rest is also useful.
You are right.
Without rest, weekdays get harder.
That is true.
So weekend sleep is not lazy.
No, it is needed.
I like that idea.
Me too.
What do you do first on Saturday?
I turn off my alarm.
That must feel great.
It does. Then I smile.
My first thing is tea.
A calm start.
Yes, no rush at all.
Weekdays should be more like that.
Maybe, but life is busy.
Too busy sometimes.
Still, the weekend gives hope.
Hope for sleep.
And hope for fun.
And hope for less stress.
That too.
I think we all need that.
Yes, every week.
My weekend is not perfect.
Mine is not either.
But it feels like mine.
That is a good way to say it.
Weekdays belong to work.
Weekends belong to us.
Exactly.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the rest of our channel. We have over 1,000 videos waiting for you. And if you want to stay updated, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps us keep making content like this.